Safety, always being aware of your surrounding and your work area. This is a warehouse, so there is a lot of moving parts in our facility. So paying attention to detail as well. You're going to be scanning and loading customers' products. So you kind of have to be consistent. Once we train you, you have to be consistent to hit our unloading and loading goals. Having a good work ethic as well, because our team does, depend on you being here every single day. And then keeping your areas, organized to make sure that you have a successful day.
We have a lot of different levels and types of employees that work here. On the one level, in the news department, for instance, we require a bachelor's degree as a minimum to come and work as an editor or as a reporter at the newspaper. But we also require education in a lot of the other fields, including photography and marketing. But there are a lot of opportunities to work at a newspaper where you don't need that level of college training. We have a lot of technical jobs here, both design, graphic design, IT, and we also have a whole lot of blue-collar jobs that are available. People don't realize that a newspaper is an industry. I have a big production plant, and I have more than 60 employees that work operating presses and operating all sorts of machinery. And in those jobs, a lot of them, they're entry-level positions where you actually get in a training program and you develop a skill to grow that skill and become a valuable employee. And you work up the food chain as you grow your skills.
Helping people, as I said, I started out as a package handler with FedEx Ground, so I like to help people move up. I like to be around people and show them out there, like I'll go on the dock, show them what to do, just give them a little bit of my experience, because I've done a lot of different things with the company, a lot of different roles. So just helping people find, where their endpoint's going to be with us.
My advice is, if you like to work hard, it's a good place to be. It's not, but I would also advise students early in their career is to pay attention to digital technology. The world is changing. The newspaper business is changing. Currently, we still deliver newspapers to everybody's house, but lots of people now are getting their newspaper via the web. And we create digital newspapers. There isn't a job that I have at this company that doesn't involve some level of digital expertise. And those students that can start early and develop their skills and be open to developing their skills, they're going to go a long way in this business.
Labor market information holds all the data for a certain industry and occupation. Let's talk about manufacturing and logistics, LMI, starting with wages. The average yearly wages of an employee in the manufacturing and logistics industry are $49,894. Currently, there are 22,336 people employed in this industry in Citrus County, with a projected growth of 12,376 employees within the next 5 years. With a high school diploma and on-the-job training, those going into the manufacturing and logistics industry can find work as team assemblers, inspectors, and welders, making $13 to $18 an hour. With 2 to 4 years of higher education, the next level of work becomes supervisors, electrical engineering techs, and water and wastewater treatment plant system operators, making $20 to $26 an hour. With 4 or more years of higher education and experience, job opportunities such as operations managers, industrial engineers, and electrical engineers making $36 to $45 an hour become possible. To learn more about which certifications you need to get into this industry, click on the LMI Sheet button on the front of this Industry Tours booth. Thank you to this year's 2021 Youth Career Expo sponsors, We hope you enjoy the rest of the expo.